I don't know, maybe someone like an Adele or someone.
Adele. Adele के साथ कोलैब करोगे?
Yeah, I would love to.
क्या करोगे Adele के गाने?
ड्रीम कोलैब है भाई. कंपोज
Adele के गाने में हम क्या
लिरिक्स
करेंगे?
लिखूंगा, कंपोज करूंगा.
Adele हिंदी क्यों गाएगी?
इंग्लिश गाएगी, मैं इंग्लिश लिखूंगा भाई. Oh hi. Yeah. Nice to finally have you here. Come. What's that? Oh, you remembered. We love fruits. Thank you. So I'm Raghu from Khosla Raghu, and Khosla is over there cooking something.
Actually, I'm cooking lunch for you. मतलब for us. I'm cooking. I just made some rice and I think
Some. Is it rajma?
yeah, it's rajma. You wanna try?
अरे पहले मोमोज भी है नीचे.
You want a house tour?
Yeah, let's go.
This is the master bedroom. Rishabh and I don't have separate bedrooms, but we do share the same bedroom with 2 different beds. And yeah, nothing naughty there. And this we set up as our
House studio.
recording room, like a small intimate home setup. And yeah, this is where we spend most of our time. Yeah, jamming or recording songs, writing new melodies.
So yeah, this is our little studio. अभी हम set कर ही रहे हैं इसको.
Yeah, I think a studio is never like complete. It's always growing. अभी हम हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ stuff add करते रहते हैं. अभी जैसे this is an Akai MPC that we recently bought, and I think it's a toy for us. We just keep having fun at it.
But it's really fun.
Yeah, it's really fun. So like,
काफी कुछ है.
if you're using this, you don't need a laptop or anything. You can just make a whole song just on this. So it's very fun. That is Rishabh's guitar.
Taylor.
Yeah, very special to him.
Yeah, I bought it from London, so it's very close to me.
And this is my PRS that I bought from Japan.
And then this mic is very iconic. इस पे संचित और मैंने mostly, I think 80% of our catalog was recorded on this particular mic.
Yeah, this is quite an old microphone. I think around, I bought this in 2019. And recently, this mic has a 10-year warranty. And recently, this mic actually stopped working. And I was so surprised. But then I also got emotional because I was like, shit, this mic doesn't work anymore. But then since it had a 10-year warranty, they repaired it and sent it back to me. So it's all good.
अभी और भी कुछ गाने इस पे बनेंगे.
Apart from that, we have this MIDI keyboard. I got this table customized just for this thing. So, whenever I am coming up with ideas or melodies, I can just put this thing on and just... This MIDI keyboard was used extensively on the newest EP, Avara. So a lot of the parts were played on this. And
I think even the bass guitar.
Yeah, and the bass guitar as well, because I think these 2 things, we both bought these together last year during, I think, July or August, and that's the time, that's how when we started working on the new EP.
Yeah.
Do you want to have something? Water? Tea?
I'll get you some water.
Cold water.
Should have normal water. Good for throat.
Oh, you want to test our musical knowledge?
Not really musical knowledge, but Bollywood music knowledge.
Bollywood music knowledge. I'm gonna be very bad at this. I don't hear a lot of Bollywood music.
I do, so I might be able to guess a couple of them, but let's see. Okay, that's an easy one. That's Tere Hawale, Shilpa Rao, Arjit Singh, composed by Pritam, lyrics by Amitabh Bhattacharya, from Lal Singh Chaddha.
I know that. I love this singer. It's Javed Bashir. It's from Bhag Milka Bhag. Lyrics by
Prasoon
Joshi. I was gonna say that, yaar.
अच्छा, it's a competition between us?
नहीं, it's not a competition, but I knew that, yaar.
Okay.
एक तो गाना था पता था मुझे.
अच्छा. Music तो बता दो.
हाँ, music शंकर एहसान लाए. कालीदार. I think we perform a song for you.
I think something from our latest EP, Dil Behra maybe.
Dil Behra, yeah.
Acoustic version.
Nice
Exclusive.
choice. Exclusive just for you. You wanna, actually, you know what? I'll just take my own guitar.
Okay.
Yeah.
you shouldn't say no to Taylor, but it's fine.
I'm just used to playing my own guitar, so I hope you don't mind.
If you're comfortable in that, it's fine.
Sure. Thanks.
It's okay, ladies.
This one?
Yeah. एक पल समझने में दो पल की देरी हो गया, उस पल में सब हो गया था। यारों ने कहा ये शक है बड़ा कमीना, मैंने ना की थी परवाह। घूमे नजारे नजरों के आगे, मैं ठहरा रहा। सुनता नहीं है ऊंची पुकारे, ये दिल बहरा हुआ। कोई गिन के बताए मेरी सारी खताएं, हैं उनकी क्या सजाएं, ये कसर भी रह ना जाए। फिर तो ये आलम है कि कोई भी आए जाए, अब हमको ना सताए, जो भी होना है हो जाए।
Yeah, that was Dil Behra. Hope you liked it.
A dream collab. That's actually very
I think I've been listening to a lot of Bhojpuri music nowadays. I would love to collaborate with Pawan Singh. I love that guy.
okay. You know 2 songs.
I know 2 songs and I've been listening to those 2 songs again and again.
You said you've been listening to a lot of Bhojpuri music.
But those 2 songs again and again on loop. That's what I meant. Okay.
No, I'd want to go international with the dream collaboration. I don't know, maybe someone like an Adele or someone.
Adele के साथ collab करोगे?
Yeah, I would love to.
क्या करोगे Adele के गाने?
Dream collab है भाई. Compose.
Adele के गाने में हम क्या
lyrics
करेंगे?
लिखूंगा, compose करूंगा.
Adele हिंदी क्यों गाएगी?
English गाएगी, मैं English लिखूंगा. I would like
ये थोड़ा unrealistic हो गया है.
So yeah, I think Avara has been doing really great. The best part about the EP is that everyone is loving all 5 tracks, and that's the best part I feel. मतलब सबको अलग-अलग गाने पसंद आ रहे हैं. So that's a good sign that we have.
Yeah, I think internally also, like each one of us from our team,
And even our management, like everyone has their own.
favorite from the EP itself. Like my personal favorite is Dil Behra,
I am Team Barbadi.
Team Barbadi, and we have all placed internal bets on which song is going to perform the best. So far, I'm winning the bet. Thank you so much.
But
And Rishabh has already lost one
हार के
round.
जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं. So और बर्बादी और नाकाबिल, that's my second bet actually.
And now he's shifted his focus to Nakavel because he's such a loser. कि
But,
एक चला नहीं तो दूसरा उस पे आ गया. But
नाकाबिल बताएगा कि वो कितना काबिल है guys.
But guys, डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल नहीं नामुमकिन होता है. तो दिल बहरा
But yeah, we are very grateful for the response. We are really looking forward to what people have to say. अभी तक तो जिसने भी सुना है उसको बहुत.
Yeah, and this EP was very experimental for us, and like people have been very warm about their response.
Yeah, very
Accepting. They didn't expect this from us, but at the same time, they accepted what they got. So
क्या बात.
क्या बात है भाई. Songwriter हूँ मैं शायद से.